I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy, and we're the Thrive Life Sisters.
Cough syrups are usually very, very high in sugar and are actually not all good for you. But we like to make our homemade. And I don't think I've bought cough syrup in years and years and years because I make it from scratch.
Yeah.
We talked about salt as being a benefit. We can gargle with salt, and that helps. But we can also include it in some of our different cough syrup remedies.
We're going to make a little blend of what we usually make for our kids and our family. I don't guarantee it always tastes good, but it is good for you. So there's lemon juice. We take from fresh lemons. You just squeeze the lemon into lemon juice. We also take raw, unpasteurized honey. Any type of raw, unpasteurized honey is really good. I might need more on that, do you think? Or
Actually, that's probably
good?
Yeah.
Okay. Raw, unpasteurized honey, there's so many good
antibodies.
That's really good for you in honey. And we're, of course, going to add a little bit of our sea salt, our Himalayan sea salt. A little of that goes a long way. And then we'll add a few different essential oils. I like to put peppermint, a few drops of peppermint. Really helps clear the sinuses and
it depends on what is the problem, or we change it up. Like sometimes I'll use like eucalyptus or Idaho balsam or any of the essential oils that really help. Sometimes we also use like you can use it in an oil form, but you were talking about ginger. And
I like using fresh, but we didn't have fresh to make this combination. So you can use the powdered as well. I just find the fresh is a bit more potent. So I'm going to add a little bit of ginger. That's so good for colds and coughs.
I remember one year I had a really, really bad cough, and the only thing that would help would be ginger. Hot ginger, heated up like a tea, ginger and honey. And that together was amazing to help stop my cough. So,
and I just put a little bit of cloves. Clove is high in...
it's the highest antioxidant in the ORAC table, and so clove is good. We wanted to add that as well.
And a bit of cinnamon.
So it actually is probably not really tasty, but hey, this
spoonful of that will kick a cold in the butt for sure.
So we love to do this from scratch for our family. Now, when you take it, don't just take a spoon and swallow it. Take a spoon and gargle it a bit, and then swallow it, so that it really coats all of the infected parts of the throat.
Sometimes I'll add, even if I want it thicker, I usually do like to add a little bit more honey, just because then it's more thick like a cough syrup.
Yeah.
But you can adjust it the way you want to. It's the basics of lemon, honey. Those are the two most... I don't want to say most important because they're all really good.
Yeah,
add some essential oils that are good for the chest and throat. And cinnamon, clove, and ginger are always really good. So there you go.
Here's our cough syrup. I'd keep it in the fridge, wouldn't you?
Yep.
And then when you want it, you just take a spoonful, and like I said, you just gargle and swallow. So
there you go.
Yeah. So hopefully that helps.
Okay. Well, hope you don't get sick this season, but if you do, that's a good go-to.
All right. So
remember to share. Oh, that's you. Share.
Remember to share,
like,
and follow.